Good evening, friends. You are most welcome to Think Eyes channel. Today we are discussing the question and answers of anthropology. Our topic is anthropology, and our question is: what is genetic recombination? Explain its role in organic evolution. Genetic recombination refers to rearrangement of gene through crossing over during meiosis in sexually reproducing organism, resulting in new combination of parental genes in offspring. The phenomenon in which the genetic combination of the offspring is different from the parental combination is called genetic recombination process. Homologous chromosomes. There are two chromosomes. There are two sister chromatids. Sister chromatids, one is black, one is white and black chromosomes. Second step is crossover. Chromosome crossover, black and white overlap to each other. Their chiasmata, chiasmata, chiasmata overlap to each other. In next step, recombinant chromosomes we found, where white chromosome, one chiasmata is having black part of black chromosome, and in black chromosome the one chiasmata is having white part of the chromosome. Process of genetic recombination. Role of evolution. Role of revolution. Genetic recombination into species into new variation into selected by nature, that is for better adaptability. Selected by nature into change in gene frequency into races or subspecies, which is intended to further recombination and natural selection or reproductive isolation. The race or subspecies becomes new species with further reproductive isolation and natural selection. Evolution happens when a new species which is better adapted to the environment is formed. Compared to mutation, genetic recombination has got greater role to produce variability. Mutation and gene flow or migration can produce variability in a population with respect to single gene, but recombination can combine the noble alleles. Recombination can combine the novel alleles, ALLE alleles, which at first like to be carried out by difference in a single genotype. It converts a small initial stock of multiple gene variation into a much greater amount of genotype variation. Thank you very much.